Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with Geography Chapter 4 Agriculture. In the previous class, we have discussed about different types of farming. In today's class, we will be discussing about the cropping pattern of India and some of the major crops of India. In India, there are three cropping seasons, that is Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Kharif, that is also said as the crops of rainy season, and it is sown on the onset of the monsoon. That means the crops are grown in the beginning of the rainy season and from June to July, and the crops are being harvested in the month of September to October. And the crops which are grown in the rainy seasons are rice, maize, millets, jowar, bajra, moong, urad, and etc. And these crops are grown in some of the important states, or you can say producing states. They are Punjab, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. So let's move with the Rabi. Rabi is crop which is grown in the winter season. It is sown in winter, that is from the month of October to December, and the crops is being harvested in summer, that is in April to June. And some of the important crops which are grown in winter season, that is wheat, barley, mustard, peas, grams. And the crops which are grown in different states, they are West Bengal, we have Assam, we have Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, and some parts of Odisha, that is coastal areas of Odisha. Now moving to the Zaid, that is, it is a very short cropping season during summer months, mainly between March to April and June to July. And the main crops which are grown in this season, you can say, we have watermelon, muskmelon and cucumber. And the producing states are Assam, West Bengal and Odisha. And three crops of the paddy are grown every year, and these are, we have as Aman and Bora. Moving to the major crops of India. There are important, or you can say major crops of India, that is we have rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses. Rice is considered to be as a staple food crop. Here staple means as a regular diet, and India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. And rice is considered to be the crop of tropical humid areas. That means it needs maximum amount of rainfall as well as it needs moderate type of temperature. So it is considered to be as a kharif crop which requires temperature of 25 degree Celsius and the rainfall above 100 centimeter and a high humidity. Rice is also grown in the areas where you have less rainfall with the help of irrigation facilities. But the rice is mainly grown in the areas where we have plain areas where the soil is more fertile, that is in the plains of north and northeastern India and some parts of coastal areas and the deltaic regions where there is river, near the river banks where the soil is more fertile, the rice cultivation is more. And we can say that which are the major states which are having good production of rice. From this map also you can see which are the areas which we get maximum amount of production of rice, that is we have Punjab, we have then some parts of Uttar Pradesh, we have Bihar, we have West Bengal, we have our Odisha, and we can say that some parts of nearby the coastal areas are also being seen that there is major areas of rice production, and some of the minor areas, that means there is also having the cultivation of crops but not in a large quantity as the other states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, some parts of Madhya Pradesh, then we have Andhra Pradesh, some parts of Tamil Nadu is engaged in the production of rice. Moving to the other crops, that is we have wheat. It is the second most important cereal crop. Cereal crop, that means a starch type of grains that is being used for food, and it is the main food crop in the north and northwestern part of the country. As we know what is the purpose of wheat, that is being we use it daily as our necessity, our basic need, and it is a primary crop of temperate zone, and hence its cultivation in India is done during winter season, and that is called as a Rabi crop. And Rabi crop requires, or you can say wheat requires, a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. That means it need to have a good bright sunlight when time of harvesting, not harvesting, ripening, that means you can say ripening here means when it is fully grown up, okay, pak jana, that is called ripening. Sunshine, it needs sunshine at ripening, and it requires a rainfall of about 50 to 75 centimeter. And the wheat are grown into two zones of our country, that is Ganga Satluj plain in the northwestern part and the black soil regions of the Deccan, where we get a huge quantity or large quantity of black soil in that region, and the Ganga Satluj plain areas. And the producing states here are, we have Punjab, you can see here Punjab, we have Punjab, then we have Uttarakhand, we have Haryana, some parts of Himachal Pradesh also, then we have Uttar Pradesh, we have Bihar, we have Madhya Pradesh. So these are the areas where the production of wheat is more as compared to the other states. Now moving to the other crops, that is millets, we can say we have jowar, bajra and ragi are considered to be as the important millets grown in India, and these are known as the coarse grains because they have high nutrition value that gives more protein and calcium. For example, we have ragi. Ragi you can said as it is the most important and a value nutrition food because it gives us calcium and other micronutrients to our body. It is highly rich in iron. Moving to the other crop, that is jowar. Jowar is a third most important food crop, and it is a rain fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas, that means where it is having moisture, okay. And the producing states are, we have Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Moving to the other crop, that is Bajra. Bajra grows well on the sandy soil and shallow black soil. Shallow here means not deep. So in that region Bajra is being grown. where we have sandy soil also and little bit of black soil. And the producing states are, we have Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Moving to another millet crop, that is we have ragi, is a crop of dry regions and grow well on red, black, sandy, loamy and black soil. That means ragi crop can be grown in all the soil, that is red soil, black soil, sandy soil and we have loamy soils. And which are the producing states they are? They are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, we have Jharkhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. So we have completed the other important crops, that is we have done rice, we have done wheat, we have done millets, we have also done the 3 cropping seasons. And in the next class we will be doing the other crops, food crops in the next class. Thank you.